Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Steam on your desktop and choosing the QR code login option. This is faster than typing passwords. On your phone, open the Steam mobile app and tap Login, then scan QR. Make sure the app has camera permission and both devices are updated, otherwise scanning will fail. Once the scanner appears, hold the phone steady and center the desktop QR code in the frame. This step links your phone session to the desktop, so Steam can authenticate you securely. Once you see the QR code on your desktop, position your phone so the code fills the mobile camera frame. Hold for 1 to 3 seconds while the app processes the image. You will then see an authorization prompt showing the device name and approximate location. Verify this information before tapping Approve. If Steam asks for additional verification, enter your Steam Guard code from the authenticator. Make sure to read what you're approving. This prevents accidental logins on unknown machines. After you approve the login on your phone, the desktop client should immediately sign you in and show your account name at the top right. If it does, you're done. If the scan fails, make sure your camera lens is clean, restart the mobile app and try again. Alternatively, use the Steam Guard code from the app to sign in manually. If problems persist, update both Steam client and mobile app, reboot devices, and as a last resort, reinstall Steam Mobile to reset permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.